Good morning, everyone. Back trading with Apex Trader funding accounts. We have always, 17 funded accounts and a massive, freaking massive gap up to the sky. During the night, there was a massive news, guys, from the China side. And yes, we're doing some let's kick it, guys. We are here live streaming again. Come on. Good morning, Abdel. Good morning. Market is open, and what we have to do right now is put the levels for today. That's what we have to do right now. Put the levels for today. And my levels are freaking far, because with this gap, I don't freaking know where the heck is it. Then, oh my God, guys, where the heck is? Where are we trading right now? 884. Oh wait, regular trading hours, guys. I don't have. Oh my God. Okay, main level here 714. Oh my God, we are selling off a little bit there, but look at where we are. Copy rates. Let's see, because today, what the heck, guys? This was a massive gap fill, guys. 700. What is my level there? 714, 714, somewhere here. It doesn't have to be. Look at this movement. This is a big move, guys. We have a big ATR right now, so be careful. And then my next one is this one. 1055, 1055, 1055, somewhere there. It doesn't have to be precise today. It doesn't have to be precise today. 21,055, 21,055. Oh my God. Somewhere here. What the heck? Absolutely insane, guys. We gapped up a lot. And the market, right, guys, is going crazy today. Oh my God. I don't know about you guys, but I did not buy any dip of a few weeks ago. And I was thinking about that, guys. I was like, buy, its market is just 30%. Buy something, buy some Tesla, buy some anything. And I didn't buy anything. And now after this and I was thinking about it yesterday night. It's so insane. I was thinking about yesterday night. It happened today with the China news. Good morning, Guy Man. Good morning, Mufti the Cat. Good morning, Fayat. Absolutely insane. Look at this now. What the heck was this 5 minutes here? Right now we lost 100 points on the first 2-3 minutes. So today we have to be a little bit more careful with the side. So we might go with 2 contracts and see what we can do. What we can do. Let's do it. Come on, guys. Right now we just need to wait a little bit. Let me check the stock situation, because that's interesting for me. Stocks. Okay, the heat map, of course, is going to be massive. Guys, Netflix is red? How the heck Netflix is red? I mean, it's not impacted by, I guess, the China things. Yeah. Does it probably had earnings? Not sure. No. I mean, it's a only digital company, so I guess it's not impacted at all. But Netflix is red, but all the rest is massive green. That's quite interesting. And right now we are looking at the stocks. Not that much sell-off, to be honest. Yeah, some sell-off, but still, I think we can grind higher, maybe. Right now, I wait a little bit. I'm not sure about anything. I wish I had something, but right now, there is nothing I'm looking for. We might have to wait for the first 15 minutes candle to close. By the way, guys, I hope you had a great weekend. What was your weekend, guys? What was your weekend? Guy Man, Mufti the Cat, Fayat, Abdel. How was your weekend? How was your weekend, guys? What did you do? What did you do, guys? I'm doing again another vlog. I went for a hike on Saturday, so that is gonna be in the vlog. So it's gonna be something new, guys. Happy to share it in a few days. Just spend time with my family, man. That's the best. That's the best. Simple and nice. You have a family. You have to enjoy your family. That's the way to do it, man. Okay, I'm loading right now my live stream data. With the which Wi-Fi am connected? All good. Yeah, final shitty, man. Just studying for exam finals. Which exams? Which what degree? Bachelor, master? Studying at high school. What are you studying there? I'm looking at nothing, guys, right now. This market is just selling off. And we have the huge gap here. This is the, not gap, I mean jump. This is when the news came out from China at 3 a.m. and it just freaking skyrocket. Even if you missed this part and you waited for a little bit of triangulation, this was the second trade, and push again. Insane. Trump is coming to speak right now. Wow. Okay, another Trump situation. Ho giocato a calcio oggi, faccio fatica. My brother played football and he's not able to do anything today because he's old. My brother still thinks that he's 25 in his head, but he's 35. It's 10 years more. Let's see what we're doing right now. This thing says, what you said, I need to check the news. Okay, not news, at least fixed news like 9:45, 10 a.m. We don't have anything. And right now the market is just selling off. Amazon is getting to the lows as well. Tesla too. Google not really. I don't like it, guys. I'm gonna wait. And I don't need to rush anything. I don't have FOMO. I slept well. I don't know. A guy here told me, "Oh man, last time you made the tea and I slept so well." And I was like, now that you made me think about that. The last 2 nights, I did not drink any tea and I did not sleep well. And this night, I drank my tea and I slept so well. Like from 10 p.m., 6 a.m. That's why when I wake up, wow, that was a beautiful sleep. And sleep is good. Sleep is important. Waiting is good. Well, no, waiting is good this morning. Yes, waiting right now. It's insane. This market pushing like there's nothing anymore. We're just, let me just check if my copy trading is working correctly. All good, sites, everything good. So I'm gonna remove the order. Nice. Okay, everything is working. Just before I forget, we are 7 minutes in the market and this thing is just rolling down. And if you like it rolling down, that's the way to do it. Oh, man, look at that tomato. Tomato just making bank. $422 in this drop. In this drop here, man, you're killing it there. Ah, wait, I have the, oh my God, I have the 1 minute chart as well here. I want the 5 minute chart. What the heck am I doing? What the heck am I doing? So we are getting at the lows, these lows here. Tomato, really? Tomato just waking up and is like, oh, let's make some money. Sell, buy, $422. That's Tomato when he wakes up. Easy life, easy mode. Good job, man. Good job, man. And we're still going down. I don't know, guys. I'm not taking trades, so sorry for you. But yeah, waiting just the market to give me a better situation. I'm looking if I miss some levels. The only levels I have is there. I showed it already. Wait. Ah. I have that level at 714. That's my 714. And that's all. That's the things. I'm just not doing anything right now, waiting for this market to tell me something more. I see it. Let me ask one question to Tomato. Did you enter in pre-market or you entered during New York session? Oh my God, guys, my God. Guys, I'm just only annoyed with myself. I didn't buy anything, any stocks or anything for the long term, medium long term. I have to check about at the open. Okay, I feel like we're gonna break the daily high after he's done speaking. You know, this market, guys, who the freaking knows, man? We did look at these things here. What is this? What is the freaking way to check how many points? Drawing tools, another brush marker, ruler. So this is freaking 366 points. That's in percentage. I don't freaking know. It does not show it. Oh no, 1.2% jump. 2% jump there. What the heck? FOTD. What the heck you are speaking about? FOTD. Dragon formation. Ah, dragon formation. Yeah, but we are not. It's not dragon formation. But we need, or maybe this is a long one, and it's gonna go back up. Right now. Oh, wait. Yeah, I can explain. I have time right now. I'm just waiting. So, trailing drawdown. How does it work with Apex Trader funding? With there is a they're the same in evaluation and funded account. The only difference between evaluation and funded accounts that in funded accounts it stops after a certain amount. But let's get back to the evaluations. Let's say you have a $50,000 account. You start at 50,000. The trailing drawdown moves as well with unrealized P&L, unrealized profit. What does it mean? If your balance of your entire account gets increased during a position, of course, that is open, and then you let this position go up $1,000, so your balance goes to 51,000, and then your position goes back and you close it at break even. Your peak balance was 51,000. So from there, that's where your trailing drawdown will start be calculated. So from there you have $2,500 from your peak balance coming from a realized position. This trailing drawdown never stops in evaluations, but it stops in PAs. In funded accounts, for example, with a 50K account, the moment you reach $52,600, that is the minimum to request payout, the trailing drawdown will stop, and your drawdown will be always fixed no matter what at $50,100. So if you go below that amount, you liquidate your account. But if you go up to the sky to 60,000, 70,000 of balance, you have 10 or 20,000 of drawdown. So that's mostly it. If you have questions, let me know. There is always a debate of saying trading drawdown is bad. I prefer topstep drawdown. I prefer other people drawdown. For me, trading drawdown is fine, and I tell you why. Trading drawdown is true that can be but I have my realized position and blah blah blah. But if you the difference between with topstep and Apex is $500 of drawdown. Between Apex give you 2,500 and topstep give you $2,000 of drawdown. This $500 difference is the risk management you should honestly apply, and that drawdown does not bother you anymore. Because if you're making $200, $300 on a trade on a 50K account, that is a good trade. People, I don't know, want to make $1,200, $2,000 on a trade. And of course, there is no risk management in any case in that case. Then I didn't close my trade and exited at the CTC. Then how it worked? What the heck is CTC? Guys, I really don't understand any acronym you share with me, guys. CTC. What is CTC? Close Trump call? CTC? I don't know. Cost to cost. So break even. Cost to cost, you mean break even? These names, guys, I don't get them. Very simple, guys. I'm a very break even. Yeah, right. So that means, let's say, let's say your balance was. You have to. It's important compared to where is your balance. If you start your account is $50,000, and then you make $300, your balance goes to 53,000. Then your PNL goes to back to zero. Your peak balance is 50,300. But next trade, let's think about it. You're taking the next trade. Your balance is still 50,300. To start moving again the peak balance, you have to move back your balance to 50,300 and above. So next trade, you have $300 room there that you have to first reach before pushing again the peak balance above. Somehow I got tired of explaining, but no, if you didn't understand, I made a video about it. I think two videos ago. I made a video about it. So as well, that one is good. I think the trading drawdown is good. And I think it's super smart because people aim to make $1,000 on a $2,500 drawdown that you're making almost 50% of their account. Now that doesn't make sense. But if you make $200, then you're respecting risk. You have risk management. You're following your rules, and then the trading drawdown does not impact you at all. Yeah, man, that's the point. People want to YOLO, but the fact is that that's what I explained yesterday. This video today, where I explained how to pass an evaluation. There are 3 methods. First one, I won't tell you. Second, I don't know, should I tell you? But you have to watch the video later. No, but first one is just follow your strategy. 95% of traders lose money. And people look online how to pass the evaluation. If you're asking yourself how to pass an evaluation, you're not profitable. So use this evaluation as your way to improve your trading, to push your way to the next level on your strategy. The beauty of an evaluation is that the evaluation has market data, liquidation problem, slippage problem. So it's real. So if you're profitable on your if you pass your evaluation by following your strategy, there is good chance that you're gonna as well get payout. But if you're not getting payout and you just want to get to funded account without even able person evaluation, what the heck are you doing? That's what I'm saying. My internet is working very slow. We'll watch it afterwards. Thank you so much. No worries, my friend. Let me know if you need anything else. Let me just put a very far away order. Then this is $200 with 2 contracts. Probably still free. Okay, it's reducing the speed. Oh, midnight return one day today. John Jinsky, tomato. Yeah, yo, tomato. Be careful, Lock yourself out. Again, guys, if you're here to trade with Apex Trader funding accounts, 80% is off. That's my code. No, that's my code. No, that's my code. Hamza, that's my name. Thank you for supporting the channel. Guys, we're here. We have not taken any trade. And I'm sure that many people have taken already so many trades. So, especially other live stream people. My God. I will always hate that person in Twitter that I really got upset when I read it. I don't understand how people can lose time passing an evaluation. I YOLO them so I can pass them and go to fund it. Yeah, a freaking bullshitter, fake influencer. And he's not clear and honest on how much he's making on his trading. And the only thing, so of course, he's sponsoring is his affiliate code. Can you help me out with a job? I can. It's not I can. Right now they're not hiring for what I know. But create a CV. You speak English. That's good. English is as mandatory things. You know how to trade. You not how to trade. You know the trading environment. Create a CV related to this, and then when there is an opposition in Apex, send the CV, brother, and hopefully you get taken. I'm sure right now they're not hiring because I asked 2 days ago, but they will hire again for sure. This company is just freaking flying. Yeah, man, I swear to you, some people. If you're looking to how to pass the evaluation quick, then you're right. No, you're not doing the right things. And I'm honest with you guys. I'm honest in these channels. And if you're there, look, I want to pass the evaluation as soon as possible to get funded. Why? Are you in a competition with your brother, with your sister, with your family, with me, with someone, with your friends? Why are you in a competition? Take your time. Trading is take your time. Take your freaking time. No, but Fayad, I advise. I can accept you go all in. That's one of my advices on the third was like you can go all in if you want, but the only things you can go all in is that if you are profitable. You're profitable, you don't want to waste time, you're already making money from trading, and you're like, you know what, $30, I'm gonna YOLO it. If I get a funded account tomorrow, I can copy trade it and make money. Fine. And usually, if you're a profitable trader, you know what you're doing better. If you're not, don't YOLO shit. And people, please, as much as well, always tell you if you wanna buy Apex Trader funding account, use my code. Don't go over with 10, 15, 20 accounts if you're not able to get one payout with one account. That's what I did. I had one account or 2 accounts, I think, funded, and I got my first payout. And then with that, you get the trust on your execution, your strategy, and you keep doing a little bit better over and over and over again. Guys, situation here, let's see, because right now we spoke a lot, but we have not checked the market at all. Apex still on the, let's see. There is nothing much right now, to be honest. Guy, man, I think you're gonna be the best because they pay you and then you pay them back with your evaluations. Free, working for free. Trump is live. Trump is live. Let's see. Trump is live. Thank you for the reminder, Mufti. Trump is live. Trump is live. Let me search for his speech. Trump live speech. Okay, speaking. Can you hear? Is it this, the real speech, or I'm getting faked out? But oh, this is the real speech. Okay. Okay. Can you hear, guys? Yes. No, you cannot hear. Wait. Now you can hear.
His numbers, $500 billion. He's going to be building a lot of plants in the United States for Apple. and we look forward to that. I really do look forward to that. But
Positive speech right now, eh? Market
the
is taking
talks
it in the right
Geneva
way.
were very friendly. The relationship is very good. We're not looking to hurt China. China was being hurt very badly. They were closing up factories. They were having a lot of unrest.
Yeah, it's I
And
have
they
the
were
correct
very
live, yeah.
happy to be able to do something with us. And the relationship is very, very good. I'll speak to President Xi maybe at the end of the week. We have some other things we're doing. But one of the biggest things that we're doing, and I don't know if people realize this, but we made a great deal with China, great trade deal. But it was a much bigger deal originally, and then they canceled it right in the last day. Some of you faces I remember were there when that happened. I remember you. And we had a deal where they opened up their country to trade with the United States. And they took that away at the last moment, and then I canceled the whole thing. And then 6 months later, we ended up doing a smaller deal. But it was a big deal. It was $50 billion worth of product that they were going to purchase from our farmers, et cetera. And we agreed to that. People thought it was 15 because they were doing 15. We made it 50 because I misunderstood the 15. I thought they said, I said, you got to get 50.
I like, by the way, how he speaks. Like it's like a normal conversation between two friends.
Agriculture.
I told him this, he told me that, I like that, but he didn't understand.
So it's about 15 million, and we're asking for 15. And I thought he said 50. So I said 50.
I said
So
50.
So they came back with the deal at 15, and I said, no way, I want 50. Because you said 50. They said, sir, we didn't say that anyway. Bottom line,
It's like a child conversation.
And they gave us 50. And they were honoring the deal. And we would call them up a lot. For the
I said 50. He said 15. I
was
15, 50.
They were honoring the deal. And then when Biden got in, they no longer honored the deal. There was nobody to call.
Ah, man, no matter what, any of them is not good, man.
To say, come on, you have to speed it up a little bit. And our farmers were doing great. I said to them, buy more land and
This
bigger
long
tractors,
looked
as
good,
you
to be
remember.
honest, but
That's what happened.
it still looks good from our point
But,
for long side.
the deal was a very good deal. But the best part of the deal was that we opened up China. China agreed to
They
open
all
itself
suck,
up
yeah,
to
they all suck.
American
That's why
business to
we
go
have to
in.
make it on our
And it
wall,
would
my
have been a
friend.
great thing, I think, for China.
We have to make our
would
own
be
money,
able to
retire by
See
ourselves,
things that they haven't
and
seen.
don't
They
expect
would be able
anything
to
from
buy
this.
products that they have never been able to
Hey,
buy.
Mahmoud,
Would have been great for American
Mohammed,
business.
what's up?
I think it would have brought unity
Answer for
between
president.
China,
If I become
better
president,
unity
guys,
between China
inside trading for
and the
everyone,
United States.
for all of you.
And the bottom line is that they canceled it the last day. We were all set to sign it, and then I went a little bit angry. I got a little angry. I said they canceled the deal. The deal was done. It was all.
I'm just laughing, guys,
ready to
because
be
it's so
signed.
funny.
People went over. They came back to me, sir. They don't want to sign the opening up China. Well, the biggest thing that we're discussing is the opening up China, and they've agreed to do that. But it's going to take a while.
There is a guy. He said, "Why is he yellow?"
But that's the single, I think, for me.
It's
and
freaking
some people
true. He's
disagree.
yellow,
Some
guys, in
people
this
say we're getting a
in
lot
this
of
live
money
stream.
with tariffs or whatever. But you know, especially when you add what we already
He's
have.
yellow. Look at
Remember,
him.
We're already getting the 50% on steel and different things. That's not included in these numbers. So you can add that.
Siddharth,
But the biggest thing to
if
me
you are
is the
not
opening
profitable
up.
as a
I think
trader,
it would be fantastic for our businesses if we
take
could go in and compete.
your trades on a 50K account
and
like
compete
it's
with
a
China.
funded
It
account
would be a
and
lot of
pass it by
jobs for China,
executing and following your
jobs for
rules.
China. It would
That's
be,
the best way.
I think at a time
If
when
you
we can
are
frankly use the jobs.
profitable, making already
And
some
that's
money,
what we're,
copy
talking
trade your
about. So
funded
that's a
account
very,
with
very
more
important
sites on your
element to
evaluations.
add. So when
If you're already big
Scott,
profitable, you're making good money, you can YOLO,
watched
but
him,
in a simpler way.
speak the
Like
other day, and I think he didn't want to
this
say it, but I said,
will be
"So what
published
do you
in
say?
one video
We
in
don't
1
get
hour.
it, we don't get it, but if we don't get it, it
I'll
won't
explain
be
to
a
you in 1 hour.
positive thing.
Video will be out.
But if we do get it, I think
Turn in
it's
bed.
maybe the most important thing
Yeah, he
to
looks like
happen.
a
Because
fifth
if you
person.
think about it,
He
we
said
opened up
that.
our country to
He replied
China.
that.
They come, we don't, I mean, they have very
I told
few
them to not do
restrictions.
this.
And
I want
they can
15.
open their
He
country
said
to
for
us.
50.
Never made sense to me. It's not fair. And they've agreed to open China, fully open China. And I think it's going to be fantastic for China. I think it's gonna
Okay.
be fantastic for us,
I
and
mean,
think it's gonna be great
if you are, for me, the
unification
best
and
way,
peace.
for me, the best way is the fact of taking a 50K account, finding a good support level. Let's say, for example, we have a good support level here. a good support level here. Okay, I'm like, okay, you know what? I have a good chance that this is gonna bounce. That's usually what I will do. Instead of taking 1 minute, take 2 minutes or 2 minutes, looking for 75 points move, no stop loss, because with 2 minutes is not too much. It give me 75 points of take profit, and I have a room of trading drawdown to go up and down. That's usually what I do. But the best way is another way is just double size your funded account. If you're profitable, just be more risky on evaluation. I agree with that.
But there's one that I thought had a special way about him, special personality. Aside from
Like I have 17. I'm trying to get to my next payouts, guys. If I get payout and this branch here, it's gonna be $8,000-9,000 of payout.
But he learned it in about 2 hours. And
Guys, we're not doing anything here, huh?
So I want to just thank Steve. But they're going to be releasing Edon and
It's for the moment not that much of a speech, huh? And how the stocks are doing? I just need to check the stocks. Stocks, are you there? Apple's still holding there, guys. Apple's still holding there. I like this situation. Who knows that we're gonna get maybe a nice long. Guys, this is getting interesting.
be heading there, and we'll be.
We haven't dropped. Yeah.
Three primary countries, you know all about that. Saudi Arabia.
I like this long idea if it comes up.
On Thursday's meeting with Russia and Ukraine is very important. I was very insistent that that meeting take place. I think good things.
How long does he speak usually? I hope not that much, huh?
Bloodshed of the horrible.
We're gonna risk to not take any trades today. By the way, guys, welcome to use 80% discount with my name Hamza. Thank you for supporting this channel.
American soldiers, they're from Russia, they're from Ukraine, but they're people. They're human souls, and they're being killed at levels that we haven't seen since the Second World War. And it's every week. A lot of drone fighting. It's a whole new form of warfare, and it's violent and vicious. And so that's it. I'd like to go back to China just for a second. They're very heavy on the fentanyl.
Okay, China part.
Them, as you know, 20% for the fact that they send fentanyl into our country, and they've agreed that they're going to stop that. And you know, they'll be rewarded by not having to pay, hundreds of billions of dollars in tariffs.
Okay.
So the fentanyl
positive
comes from China. It's amazing. And comes through our southern border, comes through our northern border too, comes through Canada, and comes through our southern border, much more through the southern border. But so that's a very important subject to me.
Thank you guys for using. Wait, I appreciate each one of you that use my code, by the way. Yeah.
That have family members that have died of fentanyl. So there's a big incentive.
Really, I appreciate each one of you guys. Thank you a lot. Bro, love how you're watching news. You didn't do that when I first saw you. Step by step, but because we're here improving, my brother. We're here improving. I might get to try to get these long guys.
United Arab Emirates. Before I do, I'll sign one of the most consequential executive orders in our country's history. I don't think there's ever been anything signed like this. Certainly not with respect to healthcare, nothing even close. I'm delighted to be joined on this occasion by Secretary of Health and Human Services, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who is doing a really good job, I have to tell you that. CMS Administrator, a friend of mine, Dr. Mehmet Oz.
So I think the speech is almost over. You're just saying thank yous.
Amazing guy. You know, I was telling Bobby before, Oz had a very successful show, but it hurt his reputation. Because when you're in show business, it hurts your reputation a little bit. It's good for you. It's good for you, but in terms of professionalism and being a doctor, it sort of hurts your reputation.
Yeah, I think the speech is almost over.
The best, I mean, top of the line. Then he did a television show, became a success.
I'm looking for longs, guys. It does look interesting for longs. Microsoft is killing us, yes. but it's coming to close the gap. So we might find a nice bounce moment there. Apple is pushing nicely. Tesla is holding there a little bit. We might go for longs.
She was really tough, really sharp. Then
looking for longs, guys. I'm looking for longs. Gonna be, I like it. I'm gonna give it some room. I'm looking just for the low sides, to the lows. I'm still liking. I'm liking it. Oops. I'm liking it. I'm gonna go long, guys. Stop. Looking for longs at the highs with every of my accounts. Looking the longs. Apple is pushing. I like that Apple above VWAP. Tesla pushing as well. Looking for that continuation higher. Good luck. You don't know me, brother, but I'm happy for you watching your videos for sometimes, seeing your progression and hoping for more, inshallah. Mas, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And I wish you the best as well. And I wish you the best to all of you guys in your trading career. As always, if you use Apex, I don't care. If you use your own money, I don't care. If you use whatever you can. If you're successful at being a trader, you made it. No matter which money you use, guys, I'm always here to support you in a psychological way, in a disciplined way, and that's all. And appreciate each one of you guys. I really like the long right now. Amazon grabbing the VWAP above as well, holding it there. So for the moment, we keep it going. Let's see how it goes. I give it the time until the highs, that high is there. Come on, market, keep control of the situation. If I didn't see, then I will even risk less than this entire loss. If I see that it's coming to push, I can get my loss to 760 here. To risk less. Trading satisfy my gambling. In the end, we want to all of us be a gamblers. Muhammad, with your crypto especially, yeah? Man, crypto, Bitcoin at 100,000. What the heck, guys? Even Bitcoin, 104,000. And I was like, even Bitcoin, I didn't buy anything when it went back to 75,000. She's stupid sometimes. I'm always there looking for more and more and more, and these things never came back down. I'm like, oh, I want more. Man, it's almost 105,000. What was the all-time high on Bitcoin? Ooh, that we're not that far, huh? Yeah. We're so close to all-time highs on Bitcoin. Absolutely insane. That's quite nice push there. Can we get a little bit more push? There's a nice area here. I liked it right now. That's Microsoft. Look at that Microsoft from 25K. Whoa, what the heck? That's Microsoft, guys. Is holding very nicely. I'm gonna move my stop loss to below this 760, 63, 63, 61. Not risking anymore. How much I'm risking right now if I remove this order? I'm risking $140. That's not bad at all. If it comes back to make a new low after this push from the stocks, better stay away. Yeah. I'm not gonna buy any Bitcoin now. I don't have any Bitcoin at all in a general situation. Let's see if this Apple give us a nice push continuation. That Microsoft bounce from the lows is now fighting VWAP, but we want this Amazon to help us. Come on, stocks. Help us going through this. Trump is still speaking, by the way. Okay, we're getting some correction there. I might, if I see that I have to cut it before, I will cut it before. But no, still no. Still good. Still good. If it comes back to this low, I will accept my loss. But right now, it's still a good trade. Apple is not correcting as much. Microsoft neither, to be honest. So it's still a good trade. Okay, if it's that holds and come back to break these highs, then this is the new lows we're gonna respect. But for the moment, let's see. Microsoft is the one that is not anymore selling off, but is the one bouncing there. Amazon giving us some hard time on the VWAP. Still trying there. I might cut it before, guys. I might cut it in break-even if I don't like it anymore. And go for another one soon. I'm looking if I should cut it in break-even and then look for the next trade. Microsoft, they're doing its best. Okay, we're doing it. I don't see it yet, kind of as well getting some bad vibes from these stocks, but oh, that's nice, Microsoft. Okay. Microsoft is the one that from being the worst one to being the one that is pushing right now above VWAP. That's beautiful, Microsoft. Keep it going like that. Give it to us. Good job, Microsoft. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing, Microsoft. Keep pushing. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Keep pushing. Is the deal this morning? Is the deal for real? Is the one deciding the direction this morning? Okay, we're gonna be careful right now. I don't want it to come back again at this to retest again. I will be ready to flatten it if this does not hold again. Because if it doesn't want to go higher after this as well 5 minutes here, you can see it on the 5 minutes too. Getting rejected there on this 9 MEA. Come on, goes above this 9 MEA. Break above. We want some help from Apple right now. We want some help from Apple, from Amazon. We want break even. I'm gonna look to break even soon as well. You don't trust it anymore. Trust myself. We're pushing above the sky. That's beautiful. We're loving the sky. We move to the limit there. Let's get it. Apple is pushing with us. We want this to push more. Definitely looking carefully. I want this 5 minutes to be strong. I want these 5 minutes to be strong. At least we retested once. That's good. This Apple is gone. And I might move my stop loss to break even soon. 10-12. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Apple is pushing there. Let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take it. Golden trade is when they all start moving at the same time. You can't lose. Yeah, I agree. And right now they're moving. Apple is moving. Microsoft is moving above. Amazon is holding that view up. It was slightly below, but it's holding it right now. So if we get that Amazon push as well right now, oof, this good trade is gonna get to the 50s like no problem. Nice Apple there. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, that risk reward here does not make sense anymore. I look at the top of 10 Nasdaq. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, guys. Break even is fine. We're very far, and we're closing that 5 minutes very soon. Okay, that's not break even. Or is it break even? Yeah, that's a bit slippage. Okay, let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, come on, let's get this nice push above. We don't leave the trades. If it stops us in break even, I'm okay if it stops me in break even. take the full profit is important, because the full profit pays for the bad trades. So right now, let's see how long it's gonna hold. Thank you, my friend. Bro, don't you think that 300K and 150% count is tough? 300K, I don't advise them. They're too tough to pass. 300K is too tough. 150K is a good, still tough, but still okay, because it's $9,000 and $5,000 drawdown. The best accounts is 50K. If I have to advise, always 50K. You get to $2,600, you can withdraw $500, you can then grow them above. Right now, as well with the cushion rule, 50K are the best. Credit card is too far. Nothing is too far, nothing is too short, nothing is... I'm looking for just for the next highs here. Yeah, I'm honest, you know, I say 300K is too tough. I will not pass them. Every month I have to pay $166? No, right now with the 80% off, you have 80% off discounted every month, even if you don't pass your evaluation. So the next month will be rebilled at that discounted price. And then when you pass your evaluation, you have funded account with a monthly fee, $85, or lifetime fee for $130 right now. So you have the two options. Amazon coming back to us, but Apple and Microsoft is holding. So let's see if we're gonna get screwed by this. But right now, I like this hold. 5 minutes, beautiful hold in there. We still, oh, look at that push, guys. And let's look at that push, look at that push, look at that push. We want a little bit more. We want a little bit more. That's there, the 50s are there. And can we get them? Can we get it? It doesn't want. Doesn't want, it doesn't want. It doesn't want, it does rejects me there. It does rejects me there. What was that? Oh, that's 975, okay. Let's hopefully, oh, that's beautiful. Google as well pushing there. Microsoft still holding. Everyone is still holding there. Tesla still pushing there. So we're gonna get the 50s. I'm sorry, are you ICT? You just insulted me. ICT. You just said that I'm ICT. I have a heart attack. I have a freaking heart attack. Oh my God. I'm Enigma. Oh my God, we got that freaking rejection there at 50s. We're gonna get screwed by these? I don't know, maybe yes, maybe no. I still like it. I still like it, I still like it. We wait. We wait. We don't scream. If it comes back to break even, I'm fine with it. I accept it. I'm executing the best, to be honest. I'm looking for the highs. I'm looking for my 1-to-2 risk reward, 1-to-1 risk reward minimum. That beautiful Google guys is pushing. Tesla is pushing. So if the moment Microsoft and Apple does the next push, we're above. Yeah, man, I don't know how people. I believe on people that are profitable. People that do not show profitability are scams. You can learn ICT. People, I think, make money from his ways, but I don't trust him as a person. Okay, are we gonna get the next push there? Can we get the next push? Very beautiful Google there. Microsoft pushing us, guys. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get the highs. I believe we're gonna get the highs. That Microsoft is pushing, Google is pushing. Apple giving us some problems, but we have a lot of wiggle room there. Let's see if I get screwed by this. How much is that? 0.75. Do you daily lives, Maxwell? Welcome here. Yes, I do daily lives every day, 9.5 to 10.5 every freaking day for the last year. I think I've had like 4 or 5 days off over. Kaizen, Eudis. Welcome, brother. 80% off, guys, whenever you want to use Apex. And welcome to the new guys. Welcome. I live stream every day. Yes, 9.5, 10.5. The only things I do, guys, I remind people here, I don't care what you trade. Trade whatever you want, which money you want, which profession you want. The only things I will remind you guys is be disciplined, follow your rules, and that's all. Damn, 0.5 points. Yeah, man, we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it there. We're gonna keep it. Maybe we're gonna get screwed, but if we get screwed, but if I follow my rules, I'm in peace. That's it. If right now I'm gonna close my day in break even, I will be like, okay, I've done my best. I could not do it better than this. I was looking for that take profit, the 50s. It didn't give. It gave me 50s right now, but it's okay. But still, we are still in the trade. So I should. All blocks measure trying the rest setup come out first, change it, name it, and setup. And think about. Yeah, man. So every setup came before. So many different names. Yeah. What I don't like, guys, is when they come with new names, because with the new names they get the beginners. Let's see, fair value gap, and then the next time is gonna call it table switch, and then people were gonna be like, oh, table switch is a new thing. So of course, this guy knows better. Next time I will look and it will be like a garden paradise, heaven support, and it's gonna find a stupid way to sell you another course for another year. Guys, we're gonna get our break even here. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna get screwed, guys. Oh, that's it. It was a pleasure. We didn't get our TP by less than a point. Is the formation of the dragon is the only way. People don't understand it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna. Oh, Apple is bouncing there. We're gonna be. Oh. Imagine this. I don't get stopped out by this, and it pays me back. Nah, this is gonna stop me out. Oh my god. Move your stop. No, not not moving anymore. I'm gonna be stopped out. I will be in peace. I will go have my breakfast. But mostly I use breaker. Okay, we got stopped out. Hey guys, we were so freaking close to the take profit. It's okay. Peace and love. I do trade breaker test most of the time. I just use the stocks as a confirmation. So I look at the stocks, looking at the direction. We got stopped out in break even. That's a bit of an annoying situation, but it's okay. Positive break even. We were so up, $200 up. Yes, you have to pay the full lifetime fee for each evaluation account that you pass. Yes. So you're gonna pay $130 for each, $130 for each lifetime fee. Yes, 5 multiplied 130, not 40. Now we have 130 as promotions. These things, guys, it still can go long, and I think this is a good bounce. I got stopped out, but it is what it is. I would have getting stopped out even if I moved my stop loss to perfect break even. But even right now, it's okay. Beautiful, guys. I think how many people we reached today during the live? I think we reached the record, 28 people. Guys, love you all. If you're using Apex Trader Fund, 80% is off with my code. If not, guys, welcome to here. We're gonna chat, we're gonna trade, we're gonna follow the strategy. Because even if you saw me right now, I did not panic. I respected my rules, and that's the only things I preach you. The same things over and over. Just because, can I open any of these premium indicators on WealthChart? I want to look at the BS, but don't want to get charged. I think the cheapest way, active society, is buy an evaluation right now. You spend $30, and you have a evaluation for the month, and you use it on that way. The valuation, honestly, the indicators are good. The owner of WealthChart, guys, is a profitable trader. Is a big profitable trader. He won many competitions as a trader, and the indicators he uses there, he uses them as well to trade. Guys, yeah, I think this was a good bounce because I saw Apple right now finding support there. Apple is going higher. Amazon is bouncing. Tesla is. This is a good long. Well, this was a good long. I got stopped out in break even. The best stop loss will be here because this is the next low. Here is the next low, then you move to the next low, and etc. We didn't make any new high, so this low was still valid. It is all it is. Okay, then you should be able to have the indicators that are included with Apex, all the indicators that are there. Until, I think, there are certain indicators that, of course, are only WealthChart premium things. With Apex WealthChart, they try to include as many things as they can in the evaluation price. So you have to see which indicators you're able to use, to be honest. It's a matter of going and try. Hello, fella. Welcome. First time and hopefully not the last time. And we're back tomorrow, guys, live trading at 9:30. So you're welcome, guys. I'm going to call it a day. I'm doing as well the vlog today. So see you guys tomorrow. I'm uploading a video in 40 minutes. It's about how to pass on evaluations. And I'm brutally honest. Please don't get it mad if I say that you're not profitable and you should follow your strategy when you trade evaluation. Active Rosati, text me in Discord about it, because I need to understand properly what you asked and I can look into it. Quick question before you leave, Fala, very quick, go very quick, I have to leave. Very quick. Very quick. I'll wait for you. Very quick question. That was annoying, guys. 150. Ciao. Ciao, mas. What is the question? Stop loss, a daily stop loss, a daily stop loss in a way that I think it will come. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I'm sure it will come. The fact that you can have a daily stop loss for yourself, but it's something that you're gonna put on your own. I think it's not yet available, but it will be there. Come to Discord. We can text as well that. The Discord link is below, is free, guys. You're welcome. And see you tomorrow, guys. Love you all, and see you tomorrow, guys. Peace and love.